Hey friends, in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can improve your LinkedIn game and become more influential using the Trident method. You know what they say, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. On LinkedIn, recruiters spend an average of 7 seconds before making a snap judgment to decide whether to reach out to you or not. But fear not, with the 3 tips of the Trident method, you can boost your LinkedIn influence by over 36%, increase your perceived competence by 33%, and become 21 times more engaging to your potential connections. Don't miss out on this quick and easy way to level up your professional image and crush your career goals. If you're new here, my name is Akash. I'm a technology executive and a lifelong learner based in the USA. I have over 2 decades of experience in solving complex problems and creating value for the world. On this channel, we explore actionable tips and strategies to help us achieve our goals and reach our full potential. Let's get into it. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and this is how we will stand out in the eyes of the recruiter. A really good looking profile picture in the least amount of time, and this is where the Trident method comes in. The first way to get a really good looking profile picture is to just take a picture in the portrait mode on your phone. So this is the photo that I ended up taking that we'll use in the first example. We're gonna upload it directly into LinkedIn and use the editing tools in LinkedIn to make it a good looking profile photo. So now that we have the picture loaded over here, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Gonna center my face. And I'm gonna go to the filters, and they have a bunch of options over here to make your picture pop. You can also adjust the brightness on your picture. You can adjust the saturation on it. So let's increase that a little bit. Let's increase the vignetting a little bit, makes the rest of the background a little darker. And there we go. While it's not the best profile picture, I think it can get the job done. We can probably zoom it out a little bit. But let's see method number 2. The second method is we can go ahead and use Canva. Canva is a free to use online graphics design tool. You can use it to create social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, and in our case, really good looking profile photos. So let's see how we can do that. Once you have registered with Canva, we're gonna go ahead and create a new design, which is going to be a LinkedIn profile picture. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and look at one of these templates on the left hand side and see which one appeals to me. There are a lot of free options in Canva, but there are also some paid ones. I would recommend just going with one of the free options that looks good to you. Let's use this one right here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and drag my photo and pop that in there. Boom. We'll go edit it a little bit. We'll move it a little bit to the center. Okay, so that's the second way we can go about editing our photo. Let's go download this right now. So this one's slightly better than the first one, and it just took us like a couple of minutes to get the whole thing done. Let's go ahead and save the photo. Boom. You suddenly have something which looks much better than the one that we had before. Let's go ahead and figure out the third method. What I don't like is I don't like the clutter in the background. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the background from the photo and use a design of our liking. So we go back into Canva and we can use multiple tools to remove the background from our images. I like using my iPhone. I can long press on my face in the image and then it just selects my face and the remaining background is gone and I can paste it directly into Canva. But for this, we're going to be using some online tools. You can use either remove.bg or you can use Adobe Express. The links of both of these will be down in the video description. Let's go ahead and upload my photo and see what happens. I'm going to be using Adobe for this one. We'll use which one? So this one was more cluttered. It did not have the blur. Let's go use this one and see what it does. So once the background has been removed, you can go ahead and download your photo. All right, so we have downloaded our photo now. Let's go back into Canva and start creating our profile photo. So I'm just going to use this background image, which I like. I'm going to edit the photo, make it a little bit more blurry. which I can do. Now we can go back and drag our photo on top of it. We want to go adjust our photo a little bit too. We'll go back to edit photo and we are done. All right, so we have a pretty decent looking profile photo now. We can make it slightly better using some more advanced techniques, which I'm going to quickly show you by using the same background that we have and edit the background in place while keeping the foreground different. Let's go ahead and add a page in Canva. Let's go drag our photo. Let's see if we can change just the background. Let's go decrease the brightness, increase the contrast, and reduce the clarity of the background itself. You can make it almost black and white if you'd like. And there you go. This is another way of quickly standing out, and we can go download this one, and let's also try to apply this one. And here is the photo that we just did. Boom, there you go. This way we have created 4 different profile photos in very little time. As a bonus tip, let's go ahead and see how you can create a really good looking LinkedIn banner. We go back to create a design and we search for a LinkedIn banner. You want to go with the 1584 by 396 option, as this is the latest settings that LinkedIn has. Let's use the very first one. I like this. Akash Mandhar. And you can go ahead and say what you are. Technology executive. And we're off to the races. We can go ahead and download this right away. You don't have to make it overly complicated. Just use one of the existing ones that's available over there. I am not going to upload this because I'm happy with my LinkedIn banner the way it is. So there you have it. You can have your LinkedIn profile work for you while you sleep at night. But what makes me sleep really well at night is knowing that I have paid off some of my home loans. Here's a quick video to help you pay off your home loans much faster. Thank you for watching, and until next time, this is Akash Mandhar signing off.